Imagine yourself in this 2017 Kia Cadenza Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash and cruise control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.